Hello dear friends, welcome to your own motivation class Motivator. Here we will discuss some motivational issues which will energize and educate you to lead a better life and be successful, be in life or the career. Thinking and acting are two different things. Thinking is easier, as we know, compared to acting on a issue. But the most difficult thing in the world is to act upon what you think. You may laugh after listening this. Getting older is not easy. Getting old is just as good as getting old. But to have this thing, you have to start at young age. Absence of suffering and pain from life and death, both are almost same. One gets to other only after getting a stage. When one gets no suffering, then is almost near the death. When we cease to make a contribution to life around us, we die. Justice cannot be justified by being on one side. It has to be equally beneficial to giver and the taker. And this is important. Listen carefully. Adversity reveals genius. Prosperity conceals it. Learning to ignore things is one of the great paths to inner peace. Inner peace begins the moment you choose not to allow another person or the event to control your emotions. Because you should understand you are the author of your life. Don't be afraid to edit or change the script as and when situation demands. Each piece of labor done by you is contributing towards the miracle you will do one day. The soul always knows how to heal itself. I don't mind what happens. That is the essence of inner freedom. Another golden thought. Our life always expresses the result of our dominant thoughts. And this is wonderful. Soft attitude. Notice, soft attitude always creates strong relationships. And while concluding this class, the last but not the least, come what may, all bad fortune is to be conquered by endurance. Good luck.